Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called tldv.io. It is used for running your meetings using artificial intelligence. So it is a meeting recorder that understands you and that will champion your user needs. So there are various companies across the world that uses this tool. So it can help you record meetings for free with the Zoom app or Google Meet Chrome extension. You can capture calls in high quality video and sound. Then you can access them immediately afterwards in your meetings library. The recorder makes it easier than ever to share all the call moments. It can transcribe in 20 plus languages across the world. The timestamps, the key meeting, what are the various action points from the meeting. So it can highlight key takeaways during or after your meeting. Any participant can mark a moment worth revisiting, and these timestamps create a quick recap of all the calls. So your colleagues don't have to attend meetings live to stay in the loop. They can simply tag the stakeholders at any point in the meeting. Their awareness or input is needed. You can create clips from the recording. You can search call moments with keywords. So this is a very useful tool. So I hope this information is very useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.